Hey lawyers, this video is about meta ads and here in 2023, August, and my top 5 tips for helping you along the way. Welcome to my Zoom room. This is where I meet with you guys over your law firm marketing and management projects when you need me, and I hope that you've had an awesome summer. I just got back from the Sierras, had some much needed, completely great off the grid, unplugged time. So let's jump into my 5 tips for helping you with meta ads in 2023. First off, it's never a good idea to rely on one source for getting clients into your practice. What if your source dries up? Over my 15 years of marketing, I've seen everything dry up at some point, and creating a new source that brings you a steady flow of clients takes a lot of time, usually over a year. Like, it takes talent, experience, and sometimes it even costs you a lot of money. And not just everyone knows how to bring a law firm a steady flow of brand new clients. I talk about meta ads quite a bit, but meta ads is actually pretty hard when you're doing it right. They kind of have 2 ways that you can create your ads. One is just the simplified version, and the other is the more complex version. Imagine the most annoying and difficult website experience that you've ever had. Of course, they try to dumb it down for you by using this other interface, which is basically just called boosting a post. But I've never seen plaintiff lawyers get a steady flow of clients using the more simplified version of boosting a post. You really need all the strategic algorithms and data to build that steady flow of new clients that you need coming in every day. So once you get through the meta ads interface with a deep sigh of relief, you'll find that Meta rejects your ads, stating that you're violating their ad policies, which you clearly are not violating. But eventually, you're going to get your ad so that it's running. Once it's running, I still have a few more tips. So let's jump into my 5 tips now. Patience pays off. Building a consistent stream can take a year or more, and it's hard work, or everybody would be doing it. Brace yourself for the journey. Taming the interface. Don't be discouraged by complexities of Facebook meta ads interface. Just get comfortable with the idea that it's annoying and it's going to take your time. Quality over expediency. Avoid shortcuts like boosting a post. These always yield subpar results. Go with a legal marketing professional agency. Engage professionals who are genuinely invested in your success. Empathy in messaging. Understand the apprehension that clients feel about seeking legal assistance. Your ads should provide valuable insights, foster trust, alleviate concerns, and more than anything, you should create really good educational follow-up content that helps them off the fence because they really don't know what they're up against. We are a boutique agency that only works with law firms who we truly love working with. Like, we're a family. Your life's work is law, and mine is helping law firms. We take this really seriously. Here's a story. I have a friend, Bob, who didn't get the right lawyer to help him when his wife was killed by a drunk driver in a car accident. And I want to work with lawyers who really would go to the mat for people like Bob. So if you need help with your meta ads, sometimes we have room for a couple more law firms. Reach out and let's have a Zoom call right here in my Zoom room. Thank you so much for watching and enjoy your day.